Hi, I'm Paul Holofka. Today we're going to go over how to build your own hydroponic sprouter. It's actually quite easy to do, and really is basically taking any type of stuff that you want to sprout. You can take any kind of seeds. In this case, I got these bean seeds I'll go ahead and do for a demonstration. First thing you need to do is have a tray like this that really has no holes in the bottom. First step is really take some paper towels and put it in the bottom of a tray like this that I got at a hydroponics store, or you can get wherever. I generally like putting 2 down. And let me go ahead and put the second one down. Water it so it anchors down. Got my little nifty watering can here. Don't drench it too much, else you'll end up having fungus growing in your beans. In this case, I'm just sitting here laying beans down, like so. Put another paper towel on top. Water it down to keep them going. Put on a cover that would actually keep the moisture in. Put this near a window, not in direct sunlight, and then monitor it for the next couple of days. You should start seeing some of the things sprout. If you want to really increase the germination period, you can do a little scratch on the edge of the seed, and then it'll allow moisture to go into the seed, and then it'll tell it to sprout faster. Take each seed afterwards, put it into your hydroponic cup or into your balls or medium, and you have wonderful bean sprouts.